What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video where I play Minecraft. I mean, that's what I do for a living. So anyways, I hit 10 subscribers yesterday and my goal was finished, but I'm going to talk about it in the next video, so you have to wait for it. So apparently I asked my parents that what is the worst thing that they did into their entire life, and they said, by bringing you in this life, son, by bringing you in this life. And I was just, bro, what the hell. And yeah, also, if you did not saw that, I have a new cape. I mean, literally you did not have any chance to see that, but anyways, yeah, I have a new cape. Oh, but file Bedrock Edition does not support this type of cape. How the heck you have this cape? I think so. This guy is hacking. Okay, first of all, I'm not hacking. Have you ever heard of mod packs? Apparently, if you're playing Minecraft for 5 years, wasting your precious time on a block game, you know what is a mod pack. But if you don't know what is a mod pack, basically you can literally change Minecraft physics and turn into a thing where a brain cells start to tell you that no, no, I cannot handle this anymore. This does not make any sense. How Black Joe Mama pig hybrid cow breed with 100-year-old fridge and gave birth to Nike shoes. That doesn't make any sense. So anyways, everyone know that January is going on, and let me tell you, if you are a YouTuber, then January is just a nightmare, okay? You just cannot earn that much money. It's just how it works. Life is very hard at this point. Okay, YouTubers earn like $100 to $1,000 a day in December, and then they spend like the money on some stupid extraordinary thing that exceeds the human imagination and does not make any sense. And you know what happens to those guys? They get broke. They do not have that much money to buy food or pay rent for their houses, and then they decide to go into their normal life and boring life where they study engineering or doctor. And you know, luckily, I know this because I have a great Minecraft Master Plus YouTuber, which name I'm not going to tell you because it is very confidential. People like me who are worthy to survive in this cruel world of YouTube are the only one who can understand what Master says. We take as much information as possible from our Master so that we can adjust in this condition where people just fight for a lipstick and make some very different sounds, aka ASMR. So where was I? Oh yeah, I was going to talk about Rust. So the people who do not know what is Rust, you are the most luckiest person in this whole civilization that think they are not lucky but they are. It's just a game that is played by some random popular YouTubers such as Pokemon Jacksepticeye Puns, aka the guy who does speedrun for 1 year but did not get into top 100. Then I think so PewDiePie is also going to play this game, and so yeah, it is going to be a big blow to Among Us. Among Us will be like sitting on their couch watching their game becoming trending day by day, and just Rust is going to come. They are kicking off their game and gaining the popularity. Because whenever PewDiePie plays a game, people just instantly start searching for that game and start to play that game. They do not care what is the game about, or why are they wasting their life and time on a game which they don't even know. Because if I ask them why are they playing this game, they only say this word. If PewDiePie is playing this game, I'm going to also play this game. I mean, literally, if you did not know the time where Minecraft was falling off and Fortnite was gaining popularity, every Minecraft YouTuber, even Technoblade, lost his hope and they thought that their career is over. But then PewDiePie came, gaining millions and trillions of views by just making Minecraft gameplay videos. So yeah, I think so. If PewDiePie started to play Rust, people are also going to start to play Rust, and then Among Us players will be least as compared to Rust. So yeah, I think so. Rust will take Among Us because when we go into 2020 and see, Fall Guys was also once trending, but when Among Us came, Fall Guys trend was gone. Similarly, when we talk about Rust and Among Us will be Among Us is the Fall Guys, and Rust is the new trend that is going to come up. So yeah, I think so. That's it that I want to talk about right now. And yeah, thank you for 10 subscribers. I mean, that's a very big achievement for me. Okay, I did not have any words to speak right now because I used every adjective that I have right now. So yeah, bye.